So these shoes had went viral on Twitter, I want to say last year. Yeah. And I wanted them so bad. But I could not find them anywhere. They were sold out online and I couldn't find them in the store or nothing. So I just happened to be on this website a few weeks ago and I seen these and I was like, let me buy these before they sell out again and I'm gonna be sick. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm going to be doing another unboxing. You guys seem to like the last one, so I just decided to do another one. This is the box. I literally just got them. I haven't even tried them on or nothing yet. So let's see. So much my receipt. Tracking number. Yeah. All that stuff. So these shoes had went viral on Twitter, I want to say last year. Yeah. And I wanted them so bad. But I could not find them anywhere. They were sold out online and I couldn't find them in the store or nothing. So I just happened to be on this website a few weeks ago and I seen these and I was like, let me buy these before they sell out again and I'm gonna be sick. So let's open them. What's this? Oh, just an extra pair of white shoestrings. They come with their own dust bags. Oh my god. Yo, these shoes. So cute. Y'all understand how long I've been waiting on these shoes. So they're just I believe they're called the Timeout sneaker. I think that's the name. Timeout sneaker. And they're just in the all white and it has the monogram on the back. And then it has the 3D little logos on the bottom part. What is it called? Midsole? No. The sole? I don't know. I'm supposed to be a sneakerhead and I don't even know what stuff is called. That's a shame. But I think it's the midsole, right? Yeah, we're gonna go with that. The midsole just has the logos in 3D as well. Then the toe box is just all white. White shoestrings, and then it has two gold plates, loops right here. It just says Louis Vuitton. And then in the inside, both the tongue stamp and the foot stamp just says Louis Vuitton Paris in gold. The bottom is just white, so Louis Vuitton. Then at the bottom says made in Italy. So these are $39. So I gotta hope I can fit these. I'm about to try one right now. These boys fit perfect. I guess I can fit a 39 and a 38.5. These ones got like a little room in them, but that's fine with me. And they are side by side. These is definitely a summer shoe. I wouldn't wear these in any other season, but teachers are on. That's just me. Alright guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and could you please like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.